You just had the most amazing sauna experience, and now you're getting ready to leave. Maybe pack up the sauna to move it somewhere else in the house, under the bed or the closet, or maybe you're just going to be packing it up and taking it on a holiday for the weekend or maybe summer home or something like that. So let me show you how easy it is to pack this thing up. So of course, the first thing you do is you unplug it from the wall, and then we're just going to zip it down in the front, and we're going to take this crossbar over, and then we're going to zip the other pockets in place. We can leave the controller in the pocket. That's perfectly okay. We're going to take out the happy chair. We're just going to hold that aside for 1 minute. Then, as you see the grounding mat, you just lift it up. You take the gray floor mat, and then you just place the grounding mat against the floor mat. You take your happy chair and you fold it up. It doesn't really matter what direction you put it in. Put that against the back. And then you take the center zipper and you zip it down about 3/4 of the way, like so. What I do is I start from the right side. So I bring the right side over, and then I cross the left side in front, and then I go around the back and I grab one of the straps and I bring it around the front, and then I grab the other strap and I bring it around the front, and then I just Velcro it together, just like that. Now that holds it in place. So if you're using it, let's say in your home, you don't necessarily have to put it into the carrying case, which I'll show you a really nifty, easy way to get into the carrying case. Or if you're just moving it around the house, you'll notice that there's handles on either side. You can just sort of carry it around like that if you wanted to. So then you notice the gray material, this is the floor material. I just place it in. I take the flap and I kind of move it inside, somewhere in there. Now, on the carrying case, I unzip it all the way, and notice how I have the unit just placed like this. What I do is I just slide the case over, like so, put it into place. I zip down one side, like that. And then I just simply take it and twist it in one direction like that. And then I just bring this little flap over. Okay, and then I just zip the other side and then do another twist. Boom, like that. Okay, now fit the material in so it's nice and snug. Make sure your power cord is inside the bag, of course, like so. And then fit this over the top. Zip it halfway, zip it the other halfway. Voila. We are done. I don't know how long that took, probably a minute, maybe a little bit more, but we are ready to travel. Enjoy your trip, enjoy your Thera360, and thank you for doing business with Therasage.